Hey guys, long time no see to all my handheld gamers friends. It's been a while since I made a handheld content on this channel, so I do apologize for this, but I've been quite overwhelmed by other topics, so I had to skip some stuff that I actually wish I made content for, like making the Steam OS installation on the Ally and the Ally X and even the Lenovo Legion Go, etc. But unfortunately, I had no time to make this kind of stuff. But in this video, I am back again with something pretty cool for the Ally X. You guys remember here I have my JSOX cover. You guys remember I made a video for it a while ago, making the whole benchmarking and the installation process. It has also a heatsink here, and it comes with those silicone-made ergonomic grip. In this video, instead, I got something cool from Breed Gaming. So I've got those ergonomic grip and convertible armor case for the Ally X. So pretty interesting. We got two different colors here, actually. So that's why you see two boxes. We have the Ally X Black and we have the Venom Green. So we are gonna see everything from installing to everything, because it's going to look beautiful at the end. So you guys may remember that I made also a video for Breed Gaming. It's the same kind of product for the Ally, for the normal Ally. And it was actually pretty nice. It's made of plastic, as you can see, but it has nice cuts here for the macro keys, for everything. It's precisely cut for the Ally, like ventilations. Everything has been made with pure quality. But it's made of plastic, as you can see. But we're gonna see what they made for the Ally X. So of course, it seems that those ones are made for the original back plate. But first, I'm gonna try them on the modded back cover as well to see if they could work actually, in case, for example, you had this one and would like to add those ergonomic grips to it instead of those ones. Maybe we're gonna see if it's going to work actually, even though I'm not so sure about it. But in any case, if it didn't work, I'm going to swap back to the original back plate of the Ally X. So let's get started. I'll go first with the Ally X Black. Then we'll try out the green one. Naturally, we'll need to move those ones. Okay. Let's open the box to see what we have here. So here we have a pry tool, and we have a screwdriver, and we have the needed screws for installing it. And we have the grip handles. Oh, actually, they feel like an improvement to the original Ally, because like you see, there is a texture now, feels better than previously. And here you can see like there is like a different texture. Here it's softer, like there is some sort of silicone, not sure what is that, but it looks pretty cool. And from inside it's different. And here there are screws, actually, screw holes. You can see. So it's different ways this time. They have been improved, like somehow. Feels like it's more secure this way. You insert it and then use the screws to actually install it. Like it's going to be more embedded with Ally X. Pretty awesome. And here we have the back cover. It's also made of plastic, but it looks awesome. Like it looks somehow made of great quality. Here there are some beautiful designs. And you can see here there are actually screws here. Nice way. And here is everything. The Ally X logo and the ventilations. You can see it's fully precisely cut. So that's it. Let's see how to install it, because I'm pretty excited for this one, because like first I thought it's something pretty basic, but it turns out to be something cooler than I thought. So first I just want to simulate if it's going to work with this one, because I doubt it will. But we're gonna see anyway. Okay, first we need to remove those screws, guys. It's very important. Let's see if we can combine our modes. Because I like this cover because it has heat sink, you know. Like I don't want to compromise on cooling. So hopefully it can work. Like I'm so hopeful it's going to work. So we remove those 2 screws now. Okay, like this. Yeah, it seems like this. So now we just need to get the other piece here. Okay, I heard the click. Awesome, guys. It seems to be working so far with this modded cover. Everything seems to be going exactly well. Everything is going so well so far. So you can see, make sure that those locks are in. Remove this part. Okay. Watch me as I do it, because it's important to do it exactly like this. You put this back piece and then the front one, but make sure that you check all the interlocks as you do it, like not close it until you are sure. Then like this from the bottom, I made sure it's there, and from top, I just click and it is. Okay, so you can see it's all there now. Very cool, actually. I'm very glad that it worked with this modded cover. Like, I didn't expect it to work. Somehow, so far, things are going so well. So I'm quite happy about it. The pry tool is when you want to remove it. So we're gonna check it out later, because we'll try the green one as well. I'm not gonna skip it. We are good to go now. We'll use the small screws to lock those pieces. Now to install the back cover, first do it from the top. Make sure that you align it pretty well. Okay, like this. You see? Make sure that you align it first from top. Choose the line pretty well. Then from the bottom, you should hear a click. 1, 2, and here it is. Pretty awesome. As you can see, all cuts are precisely made for the macro keys. They are still so accessible. You have the air ventilation intake areas for the fans. And it looks aesthetically nice. Like it's not a compromise on looking at all. It's made of plastic, as you can see, but it looks like not a bad quality, in my opinion, for the back cover. It's not adding so much weight to the Ally X. And as you can see, all cuts are precisely made for the ports, for the volume buttons, for the micro SD card, for the power button, for the exhaust areas. So no compromise here. The shoulders and triggers are fully working. As you can see from the front, it looks this way. Like I like the fact that it's precisely cut. You can see like even this button has all the cut here. Like you see, it looks gorgeous in my opinion. It's nice to handle now. It added better gripness to the Ally X, like you see here. And I like the fact that it's like very locked, you know, like you use the screws and here for extra security, like the whole cover now is so secure along with the handle grips. Like you see, it feels seamless. To be honest, it doesn't feel like it's something we modded. It feels like something original, you know? So in terms of quality, it looks awesome. I would say, didn't expect that it's going to work actually with the modded back cover from JSOX, but given that they have the same dimensions, I guess it just worked out. Like this one wasn't so bad. It had the same kind of idea. Like you don't have that armor case like you do with Ally X, and you don't have that silicone texture for better gripness feeling, and you don't have those textures even here, like on the grips themselves. It's like a pure plastic here. This one feels an improvement over to the original one. So yeah, both of them are actually good, but I will say that this one has been improved quite a lot compared to the original Ally Breed Gaming grips. Now first I would like to remove it, and then we'll check out the second one. We have the Venom Green. So first, to remove it, first of all, we need to remove those screws. All screws have been removed. Now let's try to remove this one. Let's see if we can. Actually, we'll use the pry tool. It should be better. So this one, it's actually pretty easy to remove. Just like this, remove it from bottom to the top. And we have the clips now. Actually, it's pretty simple. You don't need to use a pry tool even. They are out. Awesome. We're back. Nothing damaged. No problems at all with the Ally X. As you can see, everything is fully intact. And we got them out. Okay, now we'll try the Venom Green color instead. So the same product, ergonomic grips and convertible armor case, or the Ally X, also by Breed Gaming, of course. Hey, those ones remind me of the MSI claw, you know? They look so much like the claw. We have the screwdriver, the pry tool, screws for actually 2 extra screws, but we have 6 screws for the grips and 2 long ones, actually. We're gonna check it out now. I'm excited for this one because I like the mix of this color with the black. It feels like something funky, but at the same time, cool and different. I like the path. Awesome. It feels like, in terms of color, you know, as they say, Venom Green, but it feels like lime green. Not sure. It has some green and yellow. Not sure. But it feels so much like the MSI Claw color, you know, this one that you see. It's the same. And I like the feeling of it. So we'll just remove those pieces. Very secure design. Okay, so this one is for the left shoulder. Okay, this one. Oh my God. Okay, like this. Then we have to make sure to secure them well. So check the top, interlocks, check the bottom as you place them. So it doesn't close until all locks are there. Okay, that's okay. So first one has been securely locked. Now the second one with these pieces. Check out from bottom the interlocks. No, you see here. Okay, So, okay, press, click, press, and click. Okay, everything is good. Now we'll use the screws again. Now we'll put the long screws. And press it. And I like the fact that it's fully sealed. Like you see, these precise cuts are so awesome. Like you see, everything is precisely made. In this Venom Green, you can see it more. Like every seam match with the other shape. And you have awesome cuts for the exhaust area and the ports and the buttons. You have some green and black mixing. I will say that this one is actually pretty unique and a new idea. And like you don't compromise on aesthetics at all. It's like it's made of good quality. As you can see, it doesn't feel like something cheap. It feels something pretty good, decent, and provide great greatness thanks to those textures and this kind of silicone texture pad, which feels like a nice addition. You have full access to everything, as I said. Like I'm so happy for the fact that it works also with the modded back cover from JSOX. So this way we combined everything. So nice addition to my modded Ally X. Feels like a great addition. So what do you guys think about it? Do you like the idea? Like the fact that it has screws for maximum lock mechanisms and such? Do you like this texture and back cover material and colors? Let me know in the comment section. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to be notified when I release more content. Like I have so much upcoming for the handheld fans. Including myself, I'm also a handheld fan myself, so it's going to be for everyone pretty much. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.